Hello everyone, this is Marco and welcome back to my channel. Today I have received something from my sister who owns an Etsy shop where she makes and sells handmade creations for home lovers. But I have something more dinosaur related. Usually she makes beautifully handcrafted pillows, lavender sachets for your wardrobe, and plastic bag holders. They're really pretty. All handmade, handcrafted, and obviously hand sewn. You can follow her page on her Instagram and visit her website. But now we will open this gift that she has sent me. I love the foliage. This makes it more wild, I guess, more dinosaur related. Look at this lovely logo. It's got a note. Let's read it. Danger, dino inside. Thank you for your order. I hope you like it. Take care and stay safe, Alice. With a kiss. So now I will open up this box. Also, I love that she chose this green color. It goes really well with the box. What do you guys think? And now let's open this up. Wow! Pino the Dino, or Pino the Dino. This is really adorable. This is handwritten inside the box. This is really cute. But look at this. This is handmade, guys. This is beautiful. I love the colors. Look at that. This is felt, so it's not like fabric for plushies and stuff. This feels a lot softer. It feels a lot nicer to the touch. But look at this. This nice yellowy beige. You know, it's like a creamy color, isn't it? With this lovely light blue, and this burgundy color. It goes so well. Look at that. This is really well made. Look at those little eyes. I love how the stitching is the same color of the dots and the back plates. This is obviously a Stegosaurus. Quite a stylized one, but it's adorable. Look at that. It's so cute. I think I'm going to keep this on my bedside table or in my bedroom because I just want to look at this all the time. It's so soft. This is lovely. It is really nicely stuffed. It feels like a real plush toy. It feels like a plush toy you would buy, but it's even better because it's handmade. There's more love put into it, I think. But if we have a look at the packaging again, there's this dot thing going on, which is really nice. There's been a lot of thought and love been put into this whole thing. I mean, look at that. There's dots here, which borrows the idea from the dinosaur, and dots on the side, and obviously the leaves on top, which make it sort of gives you a hint of what might be inside. You know, something wild, something natural. Obviously, we've got to compare the sizes with my rubber dinos. So this is it in scale with my RubberX, which you can find online, by the way, on my Etsy shop. It's probably not up right now because of the pandemic, which has unfortunately affected the making of these RubberXs, because the company that makes the sound boxes isn't producing any of their products at the moment due to the pandemic. So I'm gonna have to put these on hold at the moment. So they won't be available just yet, but they will be available back when everything sort of goes back to normal. This one actually doesn't have the sound effects. I just stuffed it with the same material that this is stuffed, and I think I'll be putting this one up for auction with another brown T-Rex, still without any sound effects. I don't know I don't know if I should put them up for auction, but if you are interested, let me know in the comment section down below. This is Rubberaptor. I will upload a video of this very soon, actually, because I have well, I won't spoil anything. You're gonna see the video soon. But this is it compared to this lovely Pino or Pino. Look at this. This is really cute. So my sister was debating whether or not she wanted to sell these or not, but I think you should convince her, because this is a really lovely job, and it's really so nice. I just can't get over how lovely it is. So you should drop her a message on her Etsy and convince her to make these, or if you want a custom one, still drop her a message, and she'll see if she'll be up to making some. I will drop the link of her shop and her Instagram in the comment section down below, because you should go follow her, because she uploads pictures of her products and her projects that she's making. Now I want you guys to tell me what you think about this, because this is gorgeous in my opinion. My other project that I've been working on recently, which I'll be making a video about this soon, but I am making a rubber baryonyx as well. This is slightly different to the one that I'll be putting on the channel, because this is a custom that I made for my great uncle. I based this on a toy that my great uncle bought me when I first went to the Natural History Museum back in 2006, I believe. And he bought me this toy here, and I loved it. I played with it a lot. If you can tell, the paint has chipped off. I absolutely adored this figure, and he helped me through university. He stored all of my stuff from uni when I went back to Italy during the summer. So, you know, as a thank you, I decided to make this baryonyx for him. But it's got articulation, and it's rubbery, it can bend and all of that. And I'll be making a video soon, and you'll be seeing this soon up on my channel. But yeah, I've been quite busy. And again, let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below, because this is so cute. This is adorable. Now go follow my sister on her social media and support her work. So because of quarantine, she hasn't been able to go to work, so she's been expanding her creative skill set, and she has been experimenting on little projects like these. So I'll leave you now to a photo gallery of this lovely little stego, and I will see you in the next video.
Hey, you can also buy my figures and my paintings, as well as some sick merch on Etsy. Yes, I have an Etsy shop, and the link is in the description. I would like to give a massive thank you to all of my Patreons. Seriously guys, your support really does mean the world to me, as it helps me do what I love for you. You help me buy materials, and most of all, you give me a helping hand with improving the quality of the content of my videos. Even if it's just a small donation, every little helps. If you like my videos, please press the like button. And you could consider subscribing. It's free. Oh, and don't forget to press the notification bell button, because you don't want to miss any of my new stuff, right? I'm gonna say bye now, because when you gotta go, you gotta go. I will see you in the next one.